know what this reminds me of? That Friends episode where Chaya goes, noodle soup.
Hello, I'm Chaya and today I'm making a Tunisian spiced chickpea soup called Lablabi. It's a very, very amusing name. I love saying Lablabi. I'm going to be using some ready cooked chickpeas, but if you like, you can soak some dried chickpeas, but remember to use bicarb when soaking. So I'm going to pour these jarred chickpeas with the juices from the jar into this pan, and I am going to add some chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock if you like. And I'm going to bring this to a simmer. I'm using chickpeas from a jar because it makes cooking of the soup faster and it's cooked perfectly. Sometimes I don't want to wait for the chickpeas to cook, but if you like, you can absolutely soak some chickpeas and cook them. I'm going to add a cinnamon stick and 3 mild dried chilies. If you don't have this, you can use some chili flakes if you like. So I'm going to wait for this to come to a boil, then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. So our chickpeas are simmering. I am going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to crush some garlic cloves. We need some spice, we need something to warm ourselves, and garlic is very good for you. And also because I love garlic. Next, I'm going to add in our tomato paste. I have 2 tablespoons of harissa in here. You can use any harissa you can find, rose harissa, regular harissa, or harissa in a tube, which I also love. And give this a good mix. If you haven't guessed already, this is going to be spicy. All of this is gonna go in. Give it a good stir and let it cook out for about 10 minutes until the garlic has cooked out. While this is simmering away, I'm going to crush some coriander seeds and some cumin seeds. I've already toasted these. I just need a little bit of a bash. So you don't want it completely ground, you still want some texture. So this is good. In goes the cumin. This smells so good. Give it a stir. So next I'm going to do the coriander seeds, which I've also toasted. There you go. That is the smell of home right there. Toasted coriander seeds. So as you can tell, this is not completely ground up. There's still some texture in there, but you don't also want it too coarse. And this is bubbling away happily. I'm going to add some olive oil to this, about 3 tablespoons worth. Just what you need on a rainy day. It doesn't take too long to make either. Just a bit more salt. I need some black pepper. We'll just let it simmer away. So I think we need some herbs. I have some parsley here and some coriander. You have to have coriander. Don't need to cut it too finely, just a rough chop. Roughly chopped like this is perfectly fine. Some of this is going to go in the soup, and some of this I'm going to keep so I can sprinkle on top of my soup so I can have something to bite on, as well as the chickpeas. So our soup is ready. I'm really pleased with this gorgeous red color. It smells amazing. I think I'm going to add some lemon juice. So the heat is off. I have some lemon juice here. I think it needs lemon juice. So I'm just going to drop that in. And then I want some additional lemon juice to season my soup. Okay, so now we are ready to plate up. I've got my lemons, there's the herbs, I've got some capers because I love the brininess of the capers. For some additional naughtiness and wonderful flavour, I've got some crispy onions, and I'm also going to use some poached eggs. So I've been told that traditionally there are many versions of this beautiful soup. You can use tuna if you like, and instead of the capers, you can use some pitted olives. So I've just added the herb, and I'm keeping the rest for garnishing the bowls as we eat. So let's plate up. So swirly, swirly, mix all the oil in. Just gonna put this beautiful soup in. Looks so good with the greens and the red. Get some oil in. And then I'm going to make a second bowl for somebody who might want to join me. Now I'm gonna put our egg on top. And then what you want is some capers. It will be nice as you eat the soup to have little bursts of browniness. And then some crispy onions. Millie, would you like to come on?
I would
Come
love
eat
to.
with me. I've got a spoon for you.
Thank you.
This is Lablabi. It's a Tunisian spiced chickpea soup. In there you have harissa.
Oh, the poached egg in there.
And a poached egg.
Oh my
the
God.
poached egg? Ah, the poached egg
Absolute
is good.
perfection.
I'm so nervous making poached egg.
You're the queen of
do
poached
mine.
eggs.
Yes, this is what you want. Oozy, oozy.
Oh, Chaya.
Oh, Millie.
That's the first time I've had capers in a soup before.
Let's break bread together.
That's absolutely delicious, Chaya. Thank you.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. What do you do when you dip your bread? Do you just do this, or do you just put it in and wait for it to get soggy and then spoon
Oh
it in?
no, I don't want anything soggy in my soup.
Oh, sometimes I like the sog. This is delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. The recipe is down below. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.